Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a milkshake without a mixer. First, gather your ingredients like 2 scoops of your favorite ice cream, about 1/2 cup of milk, and any flavorings such as chocolate syrup. Next, select a sturdy jar with a tight-fitting lid, like a mason jar, which will be your primary tool. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, perhaps for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature, to ensure a smooth blend. Now, let's master the shaking technique. Carefully add all your ingredients into the jar. For example, combine 2 scoops of softened vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Secure the lid very tightly to prevent any messy spills during the process. Then, shake the jar vigorously for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is smooth and well combined, ensuring a perfect consistency. Achieving the perfect consistency is key to a delicious milkshake. After your initial shake, open the jar and check the thickness. If you prefer a thinner shake, add 1 or 2 tablespoons more milk and reshake for 10 seconds. For a thicker milkshake, incorporate an additional 1/2 scoop of ice cream and shake again. This allows you to customize your drink to your exact preference, ensuring a delightful texture every time. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade milkshake. Carefully pour the creamy mixture from the jar into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, consider adding toppings such as a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a cherry on top. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately after preparation, so savor every sip of your perfectly blended, mixer-free treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.